Today we will talk about bullet trains. First of all, you need to open trip.com, click on trains, and input all the information regarding your traveling. Before clicking on search, choose high-speed trains only as well. Then the ticket results are all the bullet train tickets, as you can tell by the information at the left bottom corner. The serial numbers are all using G as initial. How fast is a bullet train? As an example, from Shanghai to Beijing, it only takes 4 hours on average. For reference, if you take a plane, it would take around 2 hours for this journey. Bullet trains can reach a speed of 320 kilometers per hour. Once you have decided, you can click on the offer and book.